Yep. Hurricane Helene. And it's probably about at least 800 miles from here. But it's pouring here. I've always been fascinated by weather because, well, I ain't gonna get into all that now. But wanted to show you guys, we just had a tornado warning just literally like 10 minutes ago. This storm, this supercell that's coming through putting down all this rain right now is apparently was producing or is producing a tornado. Supposedly it's to the east of us, around this way, down that way, to the east of us. We're here in South Carolina, and we were already getting tornadoes, and it's been raining crazy for about 3 hours now. So, yeah. Even though the storm is not even on the coast of Florida yet, supposed to be there by like around midnight, it's just pouring here, and it's due to the storm. All the weather is coming in off the coast, which is out that way, and it's just pouring, as you can see. I'm going to keep y'all guys updated about this storm, and we may go into further discussion talking about storms and what they are. But for now, we're just showing you that here in South Carolina, the water is pouring out of the sky. And it's been like this for hours, and it's supposed to be like this, well, I don't know how long, but at least all night. But I imagine it'll probably be for about 2 days. The ditches aren't full yet. They're about half full, I guess. We'll see how all this unfolds. Hopefully no severe, really bad wind comes through. Check this out. That's when you know it's pouring rain right there. All right, guys, I'll update you again later.